Exporting your CapCut project with Pro features, even as a free user, is quite straightforward. Here's how you can do it. So I have some random clips here, and let me apply some Pro features like transitions and some effects just for the demonstration's sake of this tutorial. Dropping off the Pro effects into the short clips that I have here, like so. Once I click the export button above, it will prompt me that I use some Pro features, and we can only export our project when we buy the subscription. We can simply export the project by highlighting or pressing Command A on the timeline to select all the clips. Right-click on it and select Compound Clip. Right-click it once more and this time choose Reprocess. This will create an MP4 file as if we are exporting the compound clips a while ago. The progress will be shown above. Do note the file name of the project. You can rename it by simply clicking on it and type your file name. I will leave it as it is for now. Now, the duration it takes for this progress bar to complete will vary depending on the complexity and length of your specific project. Once everything is pre-processed, let's minimize CapCut for now. And on your dock, click the Finder app, then above the menu bar, click Go and select Home afterwards. Then double-click the Movies folder, CapCut, User Data, then scroll down for Projects. Go into ComLV Editor Draft folder. From here, the project file name was 0526. Let's go inside, locate the Resources folder at the bottom. Then the last folder is Combination. There will be at least 2 MP4 files. Copy the one without the alpha on the file name. Copy it and paste it somewhere. I will paste this on my desktop. Right-clicking the desktop and hitting the paste item afterwards. Let's close the Finder window. But first, let's get some information on the exported file on its properties. On the dimension, we have a decent 1920 by 1080 aspect ratio. And finally, let's see the outcome of the exported video file with the applied Pro features. All right, everyone, that's the process. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below how it works out for you.